unified theory of machine learning. This would be a dream, a goal for the entire field of machine learning. Right now, machine learning is like alchemy, and what we need is chemistry. So we have potions, ingredients, recipes. Those are algorithms, architectures, hyperparameters. And we know them empirically through experimentation, but we lack fundamental mathematical derivation of why they work as well as they do. Become AI researcher in my school 7-day free trial, link below. So, unified theory of machine learning would be a single rigorous mathematical framework that derives all forms of learning from first principles. And maybe this would even be a better goal than AGI or superintelligence. Maybe this is a more concrete goal. But this could also be harder than AGI. First component of this unified theory, there would be a general algorithm or a general group of algorithms, and all of these specific algorithms like RNNs, transformers, GNNs are special cases of the same geometric principle. So there should be a general formula, and you plug in that you are doing research or training a model on images that are 2D matrix grid data, and you should get that the optimal architecture is CNNs or whatever it is from just the general formula and plugging in what data you are training on. I wonder if somebody is gonna do research paper on this, or maybe we can continue thinking about this as well. So symmetries and invariances would be used to determine what are rules and what is just noise. And I swear AI is already accelerating AI research so much. Gemini is helping me so much. Symmetry would be performing an action on the training data so that the underlying structure remains unchanged. For example, if you're teaching the AI to recognize image of a cat, if you rotate the cat, the image of the cat, it should also recognize it the same way. So that's a symmetry. Action performed that doesn't change the underlying data. And this is the equation for invariance. So f of transform of x is equal to f of x, which means that this transform didn't change this f of x. So whether your cat image is upright or flipped, it should still say it's a cat. Secondly, there may be a law of generalization in the unified theory of machine learning. So it would describe compression versus preserving information. So the more it generalizes, the more it can omit details that are not important, that are kept in this generalization. Then Gemini says there are 3 towns in machine learning right now: supervised learning, which is function approximation; unsupervised learning, density estimation or clustering; and reinforcement learning, sequential decision making. And the idea is that unified theory would do all 3 of these in the same way, with the same math. So a single mathematical objective, for example, minimizing free energy. Example by Gemini here to explain this free energy. Imagine you're walking down the street and you expect that your next step will be on the solid pavement, and when it is, you are not surprised. It's as expected, so there is low energy state. I should say low free energy. Everything is calm. Your model matches reality. Now imagine you take a step and your foot falls into a hole. So prediction is solid ground, reality is falling. Massive mismatch, panic, neurons firing wildly. Result, high free energy. So free energy is a mathematical measure of the difference between what your model expects to happen and what actually happens. So maybe we could build some architecture that does reinforcement learning, CNNs, images, language, everything by minimizing this free energy, by matching the expectation with what actually happens. Integration of causality. The main idea here is that instead of AI learning just correlations, it actually learns what causes what. And when I think about it, first of all, JEPA by Jan LeCun is trying to learn exactly this, and LLMs, they don't really know what causes what causes what so well. It's not 100% all the time. They hallucinate. They don't have this kind of, but they know it well. They're very useful. I mean, but these video models like Genie or Vio by Google, I think they understand causality a lot better than LLMs. But anyways, this seems like an important missing piece. When AI understands causality, it will understand a lot of the things maybe even better than humans. That's gonna be some quick thoughts on unified theory of machine learning. I don't know when it's coming. Probably it's coming sometime in the future. I don't know when. So check out my school to become AI researcher and drop a subscribe and see you in the next video.